Meanwhile, East St. Thomas MP Dr. Michelle Charles is calling for a structured monitoring of people who are out on bail. It's reported that the suspect in both child abductions in St. Thomas, Davian Bryan, was on bail pending the outcome of a court case in his home parish of Portland. In her contribution to the State of the Constituency debate in Parliament this afternoon, Dr. Charles said electronic monitoring devices should be used to track these offenders.
We had over 800 persons looking for one man in my constituency. Imagine, Madam Speaker, if that one man had an ankle bracelet on. Madam Speaker, I am calling for the use of technology to enhance the capabilities of the security forces to be able to track somebody. We should not have so much difficulty finding someone that is interacting with our own court. If he had an ankle bracelet, we would have known exactly where he took it off, if he took it off, or where he is if he kept it on.
She says changes are also needed so that the sexual offenders registry can be effective.
Reasons why we have a sex offender registry. The reason is to identify these persons so we can protect the community. That is not effectively being done. I am calling for a more effective system and all necessary legislative changes that are required to create the framework needed for us to be able to protect our children and our community from the claws of these beasts.